Welcome back on the channel. Here is a tutorial on how to sew Aso-Oke into Gele. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you get your Gele from your vendor or wherever you're buying from, it should look like this. So all you need to do is just open it up. The Aso-Oke usually come in like 3 pieces of this strip, and this strip is usually called Awe. It's a Yoruba language. So once you get the Aso-Oke, you want to go ahead to match the entire 3 pieces together. You can see the way I'm doing it. Just match it together like this in length. See that they are like close to being perfect. You can see the way I'm adjusting it right there. And once you see that it's near perfect on both ends, you can now cut just like this. So this is how you cut, and now you have 1, 2, 3. So once you have done this, you also have to come to this other part and also cut as well. But sometimes these Gele are already cut in the market. Well, if it's not cut, now you know how to cut it. So once you have this, the next thing you want to do is place the 3 pieces next to each other just like this. Can you see the way I'm placing it? So place one on top of another. So the placing is just a tiny, like 0.25 or 2 stick, whatever you call it. This is what we want to sew down. So you place it on top of each other just like that. Just a little fabric here and there, the little Aso-Oke overlapping on top of each other just like this. Okay, so you want to do this for the first one, then also for the second one. So this is how you are going to place it when you want to sew it. So you need to know that this is how the placement and the sewing will actually happen. So now we'll go to the sewing machine and then we do the sewing. Now place this first part under your machine foot just like this. You can see the way I'm overlapping it, just a tiny piece like that. Okay, overlap them on top of each other and then sew. You can see the way I'm sewing this. Just sew this straight down until you get to the very end of like the entire where you can see it's very tiny. By the time you pull it up like this, you should not be able to pull up much. Can you see what I just did there? So just sew this straight down until you get to the very end of these first pieces. So you join the 2 pieces together. Like you can see, the 2 pieces is joined together. So now moving to the next one. So that now we'll see that after we are done with this, we would have been able to join the entire 3 pieces together. The same way we did the first one is also the same way we are also sewing this second one. We are overlapping it together by that tiny pieces. Okay, so once we are done sewing, all right, in case you have something that looks like this, you just have to trim it, trim the 3 to match up. Okay, so you can see it's trimmed now it's straight. So what you want to do next is to go and do like hemming on that part. Okay, just hem it down. You can do maybe like just a tiny pinch once and then twice. You can see it just like you would normally want to like hem your dress, your gown. So hem it down by 0.25 or 2 stick. Hem it down twice, so that way it will not be able to fray. All the rough edges, you will take care of it. So as you are sewing, please, whatever mess you see on your Aso-Oke, you have to clean it so that your job can actually be clean and neat by the time you are done. And then don't forget to always cut off all of your hanging thread. So now this part is sewn and this part is neat. So you want to go and do the same thing to the other side of the Aso-Oke. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just sewing this other part as well. The same half that I used to hem it, half and half, this is the same thing I'm using here. So just cut off your hanging thread, all the thread that you see, just dust it off and cut it off, and then this is what you are going to have. It's just as easy as this. Your Gele is simply ready. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe if you've not done so already, and I'll see you in the next video.